Good morning, Kai. Hello, Kai.
Sorry, the this is a minute.
Good morning, sir. I'll just wait for them.
Thank you.
Hi, Kai.
Hello, teacher.
Good morning, Kai. How are you? Where is Rick? Is Rick still sleeping? Just unmute yourself, Kai, and we will start, okay? Are you okay, Kai? Are you fine? Okay, well, that's good to know. Wait, can you unmute yourself first? Wait, let me click this one. Because I can't hear you. Thank you, Guy. Okay, just make yourself comfortable and I will be sharing my screen now. Okay, so now we will have communicate. Okay, talking about the clothes, Guy. Now let me cover this one first. I think you know these already. Can you tell me again? What is it, Guy? What is it, Guy? It's a
Jacket.
very good. Now, what about this one? What is it? What is
These are shorts.
very good? Now, what about these?
These are shoes.
Yes, or we can call them sneakers too. Sneakers. Now, what's this?
This is a t-shirt.
Well done. What is it, Guy?
This is a hat.
Very good. And the last one, what is it?
These are pants.
Okay, well done, Kai. Now, can you tell me what are you wearing now? What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a t-shirt and shorts.
Okay, there you have it. Thank you, Kai. Now, let us proceed to the second activity. In here, all you have to do is to look at the pictures and encircle the clothes that you can see. Like, for example, this girl, she is wearing pants and t-shirt. Now, take a closer look at this boy, Kai. What is he wearing? Can you use your pen to encircle what's he wearing? Okay, shorts. Okay, shorts and jacket. Now, what about for the third one, Guy? What is she wearing? She's wearing a hat. What else? Okay, sneakers too. Thank you, Guy. Now, can you tell me what are your favorite clothes, Guy? What are your favorite clothes? Do you like jacket? Do you like sweater, coat, t-shirt, shirt? What do you like?
A t-shirt.
Oh, just a t-shirt. Now, what about for the bottom? Do you like shorts, pants, trousers, pajamas? What do you prefer?
Shorts.
Oh, okay. So your favorite clothes are t-shirt and shorts. Now, what about the color? What color of t-shirt do you like, Guy? What color of t-shirt do you like? Do you like it red?
Green.
Oh, green. What about for the shorts, Guy? What color do you want? Black? Do you like it black?
Green and black.
Oh, green and black. I see. Those are nice colors, Sky. Now, let us have the next one. Okay, so listen. Do you like these clothes or not? How do you know? Okay, let us listen to it, Guy. Oh, wait, why can't I play this? For a moment, Guy.
Page 42. Communicate. Listening. See. Listen. Do they like these clothes or not? How do you know? 1,
My favorite hat is green and yellow. It's next to the blue pants.
2,
I like my pink and white t-shirt. It's next to the blue and white t-shirt.
3,
My favorite shorts are purple and orange. They're next to my yellow and blue hat.
4,
I like my yellow jacket. There's an orange starfish on it. It's next to the orange jacket with the yellow starfish.
Okay. Now, can you? Okay, yes, very good. This is 3. This is 4. Which is 1 and which is 2, Kai? Okay, yes, very good. You listened to it all along. Okay, great job, Kai. Very good. Okay, there you have it. Now let us proceed to another one. Okay, so draw yourself at at the ocean. Think about the colors you use. Okay, so do you like going to the ocean, Kai?
Yes.
Do you want to draw now or no?
No.
Oh, you want to draw? Okay, wait. Let me cover the screen first. Okay, so in here, Kai, I want you to draw yourself going into the ocean. What clothes will you wear? When was the last time you went to the ocean, Kai? Did you go to the ocean yesterday? Okay. Oh, that's so cute, Kai. Okay. Let me see. What are you going to wear to the beach? Are you going to wear a green t-shirt and black shorts too, just like what you said earlier? Okay, for this one, we can use the blue one since this is the water. That's so nice. Oh, wait, I used the other one. Okay, let me use the lighter. That's okay, guy. Oh, do you need a help for that one? I can help you with that. Okay. Now, what about this guy? What is he going to wear?
Mm,
Let us say that this is you, Kai. This is Kai. Now, what is he going to wear? He will wear. Oh, okay. A blue t-shirt. I see. Mhm. Is that a swimming costume, Kai?
yeah.
Oh, I see. You will be wearing your swimming costume. Okay, let me help you with that. Okay, here you have it. What do you usually do at the beach, Kai? What do you usually do at the beach? Do you swim? Aside from swimming, Kai, what else do you do?
I play.
What do you play?
I play. I built a sand castle.
Oh, okay, I see. That's very nice, Kai. Okay, there you have it, and it's done now. So, thank you so much for this, Kai. Now, let me erase this one, and we will proceed to our topic. Okay, now we have here writing, study, capitals, and periods. Now, the first letter of a sentence is capital letter, Kai, and there's a period at the end of the sentence. Like, for example, in here, the starfish is under the seaweed. See, since this is the first letter of the sentence, we will capitalize it. And since the sentence ends here, then we will write the period here. Okay, we will put the period right there. Now, let us have a practice, Kai. Read it and tell me, are these sentences correct? Encircle yes or no, then underline the mistake. Like, for example, my hat is orange. It's a mistake because we don't have a period here. Okay, now what about for two? Blue and red make purple. Is this yes or no? Is it a yes, Kai? Are you sure, Kai? Can you encircle your answer? Okay, no. Can you underline the mistake, Kai? What is the mistake here? Okay. Yes, very good. It has to be capitalized. Well done, Kai. Now let us have three. Green is a secondary color. Green is a secondary color. Yes or no? Okay, very good, Kai. Now, there's a big red fish next to the seaweed. Okay, that is correct, Kai. Correct, correct, correct. Last one. Is this sentence a correct one or an incorrect one? What do you think, Kai? There's a big red fish. No. Okay. Can you underline the mistake, Kai? Where is the mistake? Okay, no. Period. Great observation, Kai. Very good. So it is a correct answer now. So, since we're done with this one, let us proceed to this. Okay, listen and read along. Okay, wait, let us Read this one, Kai. Now there's blue and red paint on the table. Gus and Billy, look at the colors. What color do you want, Kai? Do you want to be the red one or the yellow one? Who do you want to be, Kai?
The red one.
Okay, can you read it, Kai?
It's blue.
It's red.
It's purple.
Okay, wait, let me erase it. What about this one? I'm
I'm yellow. I'm yellow.
blue.
Let's mix yellow and blue.
Okay, what color do yellow and blue make?
Billy Gus likes mixing colors. Look, Dot, where's green?
Oh no! Okay, so they are now green, Kai. They are the color of your t-shirt. Do you like mixing colors, Kai?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Nice. Okay. Do you like to draw or paint, Kai? Do you like
Yes.
drawing? I see. That is why you're drawing earlier. It's really nice. Now, Kai, we have here a video, so let us watch this one.
Hello, I'm Brian. Today's big question is, where can we see colors? We can see colors in the clothes we wear. Look at me. What colors can you see? Can you see red? Yes, you can. My t-shirt is red. Can you see blue? Yes, you can. My pants are blue. Colors are everywhere. We can see colors in nature. Grass is green and water is blue. The sky is blue too. What color are the clouds? We can also see colors in animals. In this zoo, there's a green snake, there are pink flamingos, and there's a black and white zebra. Animals can be many different colors. Do you know what this is? It's a color wheel. It shows us primary and secondary colors. There are 3 primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. And there are 3 secondary colors: orange, purple, and green. We can mix primary colors to make secondary colors. We can make and mix colors with paint. There are lots of different colors. We can see them everywhere. What's your favorite color?
Okay, there you have it, Kai. Now, can you tell me again, where can we see colors, Kai? Where can we see colors?
On animals.
Okay, yes, on animals. Very good, Kai. What color is the snake in the video?
It's green.
Okay, can you remember the primary colors, Kai? We have three, right? What are the primary colors?
Red, yellow, and blue.
Very good. Now, what about the secondary colors?
Orange, purple, green.
Great job, Kai. Thank you so much for that. And that ends our class now. Okay, since Rick is still asleep, then thank you so much for your time. Goodbye, guys. Stay safe, guys.